Hey, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a VR, and this one is for Liana from It's ATO here on YouTube. She is an amazing crafter, and oh my gosh, I love her hauls, especially when she has that 99-cent store one. Anyways, so she is having a birthday giveaway, so I might be a little late in sending this. I think I heard somebody said she extended it. I do apologize, but I know the deadline was August the 17th, but I heard it got extended. So don't know if it gets there before the 17th, and it was the 17th. That's okay. I don't care. Anyways, so this is what I made for her. Okay, as you guys saw in my BB craft project share, this was actually for her. And let me go ahead and show you what's inside. I actually put a piece of tulle right here to make the effect of tissue paper. So I made this into cake slices, and there's beads in here, flowers, and then I made her some of these cute little bows. And again, this was inspired by Buzzing with Bee, and I just went ahead and put the pro right here, but she did I've seen her do the bows. She actually sent me some gray ones, love them, so I just went ahead and did that here. And I'm going to go ahead and share some of my BB craft resin pieces right there, and there you go. So she was asking for an embellishment box. So yeah, this is my little embellishment box, so hopefully she likes it. Anyways, if you guys are not subscribed to her, please go over to her channel, show her some love and support. She is an amazing, such a sweet lady. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video, and I will link her down on the description below. Thank you. Bye for now.